Hi, intermediate students. This is Miss Leminski. I hope you're having a great weekend. I wanted to create a quick video just to make sure you knew what to expect with this week ahead. Until we kind of get into the swing of things, I want to make sure you feel comfortable with what you're expected to do. This is the first week where I will see Group A is what I'm going to call the hybrid students who are A through K. You guys come to school on Monday and Tuesday. Group B, which is my hybrid students that are L through Z, will be coming Thursday, Friday. So I do want you to know that Group A is considered the kids who come Monday, Tuesday. Group B are Thursday, Friday, because I'm going to start using that language in the assignment section and calendar. Okay, so we've talked a little bit about the calendar. You guys have been in class. And so here's what your week's going to look like. On Monday, Group A, you'll be in class, so you don't have to worry about anything else. Just come to class. We're going to learn 3.0a. It's a prerequisite section that we made up so that we can be successful when next week we jump into our very first chapter. And we'll even start the homework assignment for that. Okay, so you don't have to worry too much about anything. Just show up for your class. EVA students, this is super important for you guys to know. All EVA students, regardless of your last name, I want you to join my class live during your class period on Monday and Tuesday. That will be your ABA. So you are going to get the exact same lesson as everybody else. You're going to get that lesson on Monday and Tuesday joining my class live. Okay, so you join class live, you'll do the assignment as well, and you're done. Hybrid Group B, though, again, that's students in the hybrid model with last names L through Z. You have to do your first ABA. You are not going to come to class on Monday in terms of joining the live link. You are going to watch the Intermediate Algebra Teacher's Introduction video on Monday. And on Tuesday for your ABA, you're going to fill out another All About You, but it's an education one. Okay, so I'm going to show you where you find that now. And actually, Group A and all EVA students, on Thursday, you're going to watch the video, and on Friday, you're going to do the All About You. So everybody's going to need these eventually. If you go below the calendar, you can see it says Week 2 ABA. I have listed by group what you're kind of doing here. But anytime you need to do that ABA, you're going to go into this folder. So your first day of asynchronous learning this week, you can read the description of what the teacher video is. Okay, so read this paragraph, but then you're going to click on this link to watch the video. It's only like 2.5 minutes. So it's a very simple day. After you watch the video, make sure that this is a green check mark for you, because that's your attendance for the day. I will get a spreadsheet of all the students who completed this by having the green check. Okay. On your second asynchronous day, so for Group B, it's on Tuesday. For Group A and all EVA students, it's Friday. You're going to fill out this All About Me. It's another Google Drive assignment, similar to the other one. I do want to show you real quick in case it doesn't show up large. I know some people had a hard time seeing it. One more time. I tried to make it bigger this time. It looks like I can see it better already. But if you can't see it, you go to this magnifying glass, click on it, and just enlarge it. You can pick a different size. Okay? In order to type in, you click in the box and type whatever you want to type. Okay, so those are your 2 days of asynchronous learning when the other half is in school. Having said that, Wednesday, remember, is an asynchronous day for everyone. On your asynchronous day, you're going to do a little Schoology quiz for me. It is not math related. It is actually going to be about the Schoology page. It's going to be checking, can you read the calendar? Can you find things you need to find? Do you know when my office hours are? And so on. So in order to find that, again, you'd go into the ABA, and it's going to be the Schoology Quiz ABA. Please note that every time you have an asynchronous activity, it must be completed and submitted no later than 3:30 p.m. At 3:30, I take attendance, and if you haven't completed the ABA that day, you will be marked absent. Finally, the Schoology quiz does have a 30-minute timer set, so once you open it, make sure you have that 30-minute chunk to complete it. One change that I had to make was to my office hours, so I'm going to look at that section next. For office hours, I have switched my second morning office hour in person, so it really only impacts hybrid Group B. I did officially switch it to Friday. I'm going to have meetings a couple Thursdays a month, so it's just going to be too hard to flip-flop back and forth. So Friday mornings is my in-person office hour. Reminder that for the virtual office hours on Monday and Thursday afternoon, you click this link. A reminder to those of you who are going to join class live, which is all EVA students this week on Monday and Tuesday. That would be the only ones. Next week we'll talk about how other people can use this. But this week, Monday, Tuesday, EVA students, you need to know what hour you have me and find the time and then set an alarm in your calendar so that at that time, so if you're a second hour student, set an alarm for 9:25 to join my class, okay? And then you click on this link and join the Google Meet. One other thing in here, at one point in the Schoology quiz on Wednesday, it asks you to read the syllabus and answer a question based on that. In order to find the syllabus, you're going to click on course materials. I mentioned that there. And then the syllabus is here. Okay, so you would click on that, read through that. And I think those are the main things you need to know for today. So again, continuing to understand the Schoology page is going to be super important, and most important, reading the calendar. Now, since it's looking a little bit more complicated, you'll see the homework for tonight. I made it the same for all week, so everybody at some point is going to do the 3-0A Pearson practice and the 3-0B Pearson practice. Again, you'll get started on those in class, so we'll make sure that they were assigned properly and that you're able to find them. You may finish them in class. They're very short, so our lessons, we're hoping to let you get those done in class. Having said that, at some point during the week, I need you to watch the 3-1A video, so before Monday, 9/21. To find the 3-1A video, I did put the topic 3 folder. It's under the week 2 ABAs because it's not until next week technically, but you go into topic 3, you go to lesson videos, and again, the one you're going to have to watch is the 3-1A, so domain and range. I did put a video in of 3-0A, and there will be one of 3-0B, but you don't have to watch those. That's just if you have questions. But 3-1A, by next week, Monday, you will want to watch. And we'll talk about that more when you join class live or when you're there in person. Okay, I hope that explains a little bit of what you need to do. If you have questions, let me know. Most importantly, probably hybrid group B students since you won't be in school. But otherwise, I will see all EVA students on a live link and all hybrid A students on Monday, and we will be doing some review of previous concepts. Thanks, and see you tomorrow.